All right, friends, we have made it to Friday. It is Friday, April the 3rd in the year 2020. And this is it. We've made it just about through our first week of our remote learning. And I know, I'm sure that the beginning of the week was a little rough getting to the online platforms, getting used to Zooming with your class, taking care of your own classwork on your own at home. But you've made it through the first week. Remember that there's only 6.5 weeks left. It's going to go by very quickly. So get through today, do your very best, and then re-energize and recharge over the weekend. Okay? We are going to be using Tagalog today to say our hello and our goodbye, and that is the language that they use in the Philippines, Tagalog. And so to say hello, you say kamusta. So kamusta to my SOL friends, okay? The weather, it's definitely slowly starting to warm up a little bit. The high today is 41, low of 28. I'm looking out my window here, and obviously all that snow we got yesterday is still accumulated. Should be maybe partly sunny, partly cloudy today, and it looks like next week is going to be really beautiful. Lots of sun. So hopefully that'll be good for us because we can get out, get some fresh air and some sunshine next week. Okay, so our holidays of the day, we've got a couple that I wanted to tell you about. The first one is National Walk to Work Day. A lot of us can't walk to work. We don't live that close. But I was thinking if you get the opportunity, maybe you can get outside and just walk a little bit around your neighborhood, 15 to 30 minutes, just so your body has a chance to be active. Or the other day that it is today is National Kids Yoga Day. And so I wanted to kind of tell you, I think some of you have heard of Cosmic Yoga before, so cosmicyoga.com, if you go to that website. And if you click on watch the episodes, that's a tab across the top, you can find a little mini yoga session for yourself, which was really cool because you can do it to get energy or you can do it to relax. And they're really short, but really effective. So I kind of just wanted to recommend that, throw that out there for you for today. National Walk to Work today, so do some walking, or National Kids Yoga Day, so you could do some cosmic yoga. And then let's talk about our word for today. Our word for today is really good for the last day of our first week, okay? It is philomath. Philomath. Okay, and a philomath is a person who loves to learn. So I'm hoping that you're being a philomath these days, especially, and really kind of digging in and helping yourself learn, because that's really kind of what we're all having to do now with remote learning. Okay. All right, and then the other thing I'm going to show you is our brain teaser for Fridays is going to be a number puzzle. And a lot of you have seen me use number puzzles before in our kind of math groups, but I'm going to show you an example, and then next Friday I'm going to put one up without the answer, and I'm going to see who can put the correct answer in the comments section first for dojo points. Okay, so here we go. Here's the Philippine flag. We talked about Tagalog being the language of the Philippines, and here's kamusta. That's how we'll say hello, and I'll talk to you about goodbye in just a couple of minutes. Walk to Work Day, Kids Yoga Day, number puzzle. Okay, so here's the deal with the number puzzle. It has multiple steps that you have to take to get to your final answer. Most of the time it's going to be addition and multiplication that are involved, so always remember that if you have one line of a math problem and you have multiplication and addition in that same problem, always do the multiplication first. Always multiplication first, okay? So the key is going to be if you can find the correct answer first. So let me show you what a number puzzle is going to look like. I'll kind of move myself up here in the corner. Okay, so you'll see you have two pictures, a net and a bee. And each one of these symbols, these pictures, represents a number. Okay, so if you look kind of over here on this side, I kind of explained to you how this works. The net is going to represent the number 5, because if I look over here at this first line of the problem, 5 times 5 equals 25. So everywhere I see a net, I would write the number 5. So I would put a 5 down here on this second line. And now I have to figure out 5 plus what number, represented by the B, equals 12. Well, if I look over here, the B is going to be 7 because 5 plus 7 equals 12. So now I know that down here on this bottom line, this is 7 times 5 plus 7, because those are the numbers that are represented by the net and the B. But remember, I always have to do the multiplication first. So it's 7 times 5 first, that's 35. 35 plus another 7 equals 42. So 42 would be the correct final answer here on this math puzzle. So I'll put one of these up next Friday for you, and I'll see who can find the correct answer first. Okay, so for the most part, that's it for our daily video here at the end of the week. Make sure that you leave a comment in your Google Classroom using our word of the day in a sentence, Philomath, okay? And I'm going to double check as well this afternoon if anybody's been able to work in their online programs, more dojo points as well for that. And so just a quick preview of next week. We will do more words of the day, more fun new languages. You can turn in your answer to the daily brain teasers for points. And I'm even going to put out a couple of surveys next week. A survey about maybe scheduling a group Zoom meeting so we can all see each other and talk and catch up. And even a survey about some dojo point prizes. Okay? So in Tagalog, to say goodbye, you say palem. All right, so I'm going to say goodbye to you guys for this Friday. Hope you have a great day. I hope you've had a great week. I hope you can get out and walk or do some yoga, enjoy time with your family, and I will see you guys next week. So, palem.